Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now start earning. First, verify your account and character are fully registered and that you can access the bank interface. Once done, enable any job or faction permissions that unlock income streams because many options gate rewards behind roles. Make sure to read the server's money rules so you avoid bans while you earn. Begin by queuing available starter jobs or missions and accept the first task as soon as it becomes available so you start generating cash flow. You're in the middle of the grind. Focus on efficient activities. Start by picking missions and repeatable tasks that pay the most per minute because time efficiency scales your income fastest. Once engaged, use any tools, vehicles, or group bonuses to shorten run times and increase payouts. If you gather items or loot, convert them quickly through safe vendors or authorized exchanges to avoid price drops. Keep an eye on cooldowns and rotate tasks so you never idle. Steady throughput wins over random bursts. You're wrapping up. Secure your gains and verify everything cleared correctly. Deposit money into the bank or trusted storage immediately to prevent loss from theft, death, or server wipes. Then review transaction logs and note any taxes or fees that reduced your take. Understanding those helps you pick better activities next time. If earnings stall, reset the job, rejoin the role, or relog to refresh server state. If problems persist, report the issue to admins with screenshots so you can get credited or fixed quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.